Assalamu alaikum. Today's tutorial has nothing to do with Arabic calligraphy or Islamic art, but it's a positive message that I think we could all benefit from, a no phone zone. So today I'll be showing you how to make this wood sign with a decal. You will need a 6x6 wood panel. This I found in Amazon, but I know you can find it at Michael's or Joann's. Acrylic paint, I used white and black. Foam brushes, as you can see, I used a small foam brush. And decal in size 4x4, and this can be found on our website. Here I am painting the front side in white and the sides and back in black. Now you can choose to paint the whole thing in white. I chose to have the black border because I like the contrast with the white, and I like how it coordinates or matches with the black decal. One thing to remember here is that you have to wait for the paint to dry between coats. But the most important thing to remember is that your surface is clean, so that when you flip the wood around, like I did here, to paint the back, some of the black on the sheet of paper got onto the white the white front side of my wood panel, as you can see here. Now I tried to fix this by painting it white, but I ended up spreading the black paint all over the white side, which really doesn't look that bad, but it was too dark for me, for the look that I was going after. So I'm using a 120, I believe, fine grit sanding block to erase some of that black color. I'm using it as an eraser to scrape off the paint and then cleaning it up and applying more white paint over it. I think I did this like 3 times, and I waited for the paint to dry between coats before applying the decal. My goal was to lighten it up, bring it back to white, a white color, but with a hint of black in the background. Now that the background is ready, I put it away and waited for it to completely dry before applying the decal. The decal consists of 3 layers: the paper backing, the decal, which is the design, here it's no phone zone, and a clear transfer paper that the design sticks on. We'll send application instructions when you purchase a decal from us, but basically you just gently remove it from the paper backing, decide where you're going to place it on the wood panel, and smooth it either with your hand or a credit card or a squeegee. Then you slowly peel the transfer tape off at an angle. If parts of the design sticks to the transfer tape, like you see here with the O and the N, just push it back, rub it gently, and peel the transfer tape. And that's it. You don't have to seal this because it's going to be indoors. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share so I know if I should keep making these videos for you. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum.